Hello everybody, this is Shraddha from eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited. In this video, we are here at a residential workshop which started on 22nd November, and I'm sitting here with Manish Arora from Pune and Ladaf from Daman and Diu. So let us hear their experience directly from them. So hello Manish and Ladaf.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine.
So,
All good after the workshop.
So today is the third day of your residential workshop. So to begin with, I would like to understand, how did you make up your mind? Like, you are from composite course, you have taken admission to structures course all the way from Daman and from Pune. So first time, how did you make up your mind to take admission? I mean, what आपको यहाँ क्या खींच के लाया? That's what I'm asking.
So what we have, basically we have invested 4 years of our lives in something, which was a BTech degree. So it is obviously out of passion, and secondly out of livelihood, that everyone pursues the same. But we were told, what we were expecting is that we will get, after getting a degree, we will get the job of a doctor. Whereas we were only worth of, it is not wrong to be a ward boy, but after promising a doctor, becoming a ward boy is little, it doesn't feel that good. Yeah. So after that, then when we, I have been following eConstruct for the past couple of years, and I have seen an organic growth in eConstruct and quality organic content coming out from Sandeep sir and from you. And it is not only about just giving a few tips about a few softwares or few tips about कि industry में ऐसे टिको वैसे टिको. It is not only that, it is आप खुद को personally कैसे develop कर रहे हो on a corporate scale, on a life scale, on a motivation scale. So it is a complete pack altogether. So it was just कि एक lost expectation जो थी after getting a BTech degree, उसका अगर किसी को आप ये दिखाओगे कि हाँ okay fine, that was the wrong path, but it is on us if we want to improve or no. So that is how I ended up coming here. Okay. It is out of sheer passion, and that passion is, there is a reflection of that passion in Sandeep sir and you as well. We have a passion for learning, you all have a passion for teaching. So it is not only ki aao karo jao, it is not only that, it is more of a family kind. In 3 days we've seen a family kind of a bonding, which we were expecting from eConstruct.
Thank you so much.
We've got much more than what we were expecting. So that is
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. I would like to hear from you.
Actually, recently I completed my MTech, but MTech in structures. But I didn't know about softwares. I was thinking that I have to know this software because technology is growing very fast, and we needed analyze the structures and design. We have high-rise building. We can't calculate manually that much. So we must learn softwares. But where to learn softwares? That's a question. That's a question. But I was found so many software trainers, but I was feeling that they are not that much capable to teach softwares. They didn't have experience. Then one day I found that your videos on YouTube. Then
which was the first video that you watched?
Actually, ma'am, yours video, that was. It's what to do after civil engineering, like that.
Okay. That video.
That. But then I searched. One of my friend from eConstruct, he told me that it's a good. But then I saw so many reviews online. Then all reviews are good. Then I thought it's a good place. Sir, he told me that he has a good experience, and like that. I saw many videos in YouTube. Then I thought I have to go and learn from Sandeep sir. That feeling came from there. Then I decided to I was very nervous before coming here. Otherwise, I was if I'm
whether it is the right decision.
Right decision or not,
Or not.
because I am already completed my MTech. It's I already
6 years
6 years
already
I already invested. Again, if
Another year.
another years goes, then my like family troubles will come.
True.
I was very nervous before coming here. Then when I come here, that day also I very nervous I was.
You
Then
visited
I
the
was
office also. Office was
visited.
closed. You
हाँ,
called it.
office was closed.
You called me also. I remember. I was in.
No, I was there, ma'am.
Ajay, you came
You,
to the office.
हाँ, came, ma'am. There, the Tathagata sir.
Tathagata
हाँ,
was there.
Tathagata was there. He explained me about everything. Then I attended. After attending 3 days in workshop, I'm proudly say that it is a best place to learn softwares. Sir has this much experience and his teaching is very good.
Thank
And
you.
I'm very gladly thanks, ma'am. I was very nervous before coming here. Now I'm feeling like I'm comfortable.
Okay.
Uh,
So now that nervousness
Nervousness
and
goes.
confusion is
I'm
gone.
all goes, all gone.
Okay.
Sir's teaching is very
And
good.
sir is dancing with us. How will we be nervous after that?
Sir is like that, ma'am.
Right. So thanks a lot for sharing your experience. And in last 3 days, in last 2 days, the first day was orientation program. How was the experience? Did you feel ice breaking? We do the orientation majorly to make you open up.
Yes, ma'am.
Main reason because you all come from all over India, even abroad. So when everyone comes together, first day is like nervous. Everyone is nervous. So to open up that ice breaking ceremony, how did you feel? First day.
Ma'am, it was like initially we were obviously everyone was shy. Everyone was in their cocoons ki
Yeah.
नहीं
I
sir
remember
sir
when
ऐसे
I
सोचेंगे
entered.
मैम ऐसे सोचेंगे. So from that to even sir is mostly he's a person in a doctor's coat who comes down and who helps each and every person, whoever is there on the floor. Like he's not one of those doctors जो बैठे हुए और सिर्फ prescription लिख के दे जा रहे. There are many people who will be teaching that, and that is the sad part about the education industry, that most of them are just like हाँ ठीक है ये prescription लो, ये 2 course कर लो, ठीक है ये कर लो, ये कर लो. It is not only that, ma'am. It is also first day the orientation program. Like you have taken so many efforts. You were dancing on the stage. It is a very different kind of a thing where you will not see people being that frank and professionally that frank. There is a difference between being frank and professionally being frank. It is really a very different kind of an experience altogether.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था मैम, जब मैं यहाँ पे आया ना, when I was came here ना मैम, I was feeling like आपसे बात कैसे करूँगा. लेकिन आप भी आने से पहले अब यहाँ पे आने के बाद ऐसे लग रहा है कि आपने इतना जल्दी आप सबको मतलब
Mix कर लिया.
हाँ, मिक्स कर लिया मैम. बहुत अच्छे से treat
And
कर रहे
most of us like
इतना प्यार से ट्रीट कर रहे हैं मैम हमको, मतलब कोई डर नहीं लग रहा है कि
बस.
हाँ.
Thank God.
we have so many people from south, we have so many people from up north, we have people from Maharashtra where I am from. So there is no groupism amongst us कि हम साथ में बैठेंगे, जो यहाँ से है वो वहाँ पर बैठे. Everyone is eating, sitting together, sharing experiences. In fact, even with you and Sandeep sir, you all are always there even during the night time, during dinner. So you all are always there watching out कि अच्छा everything is going smooth, nobody is nervous. If somebody is nervous, pulling him out and telling क्यों nervous है, किसके सामने nervous है. So these things are very, it is just that it is not only because I think during our whatever education system or anything, we have not been we've just been told to cocoon up कि टीचर है सामने ऐसे कैसे गए, ये है ऐसे कैसे गए, ये वो
Freedom.
तो
Freedom.
exactly. Unless we don't have that, how will people express themselves? How will people talk? And जब तक बात नहीं करेंगे तब तक क्या करोगे और क्या करोगे? That is the only way of communication which humans can understand sadly.
Yes.
हम टेलीपैथी में जीते नहीं है अभी, पहले जो ऋषि मुनि करते थे
Yes.
दिमाग की बात
Yes,
समझ.
yes.
So the main thing is first day when you were telling about opening up and being a brand in yourself. That is one of the most important things.
Right.
There is something else which we have also heard over the time. So I have done a sales job for 2-3 months.
Oh.
So the first thing they taught me there was the most expensive company which you will have is called Me Inc. Me Inclusive. That is the company you want to brand build. जब तक खुद ही नहीं build करोगे तब तक सामने वाले को क्या पता रहेगा.
True.
So yeah.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Really nice to hear that. Thank you. You people shared your
थैंक यू मैम.
experiences.
हम
Really
सोच रहे थे
nice.
कि इतना फ्रेंडली बात कर पाएंगे, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था हमने.
नहीं, ये
ये
this is
हाँ.
like a family.
Ma'am, and honestly,
यहाँ पे आने के
it
बाद-
is not only something that eConstruct says, because making so many arrangements, calling everyone, ki everyone is reaching properly. Then, if anyone has any, it is you all have been from hotel management to making yourself a brand to personality building to technical skills. It has been everything in 3 days. And I think we are barely sleeping for 6-7 hours because we are already occupied in so many things. Talking to each other, talking to you, talking to sir. There are so many things going on, so many experiences in 3 days.
Right.
It is really a lovely thing.
Thank you so
It's
much.
out of the world, yeah. Like,
Thanks a lot. I'm glad that you people have liked it, and I assure you that upcoming journey also will be good.
definitely, ma'am.
Very, very much. It'll be a learning experience out of the world that, as you have already
Right, ma'am.
got confidence, and I assure you that we will stand up to that. And of course, placement, you're getting a job would be a default. It should be a
Yes, ma'am.
default. See, in eConstruct, we are not bothered about giving job to someone. Trust me, we are not concerned about. We are not focusing on getting you a job. We are focusing on
Excellence.
making your wings so strong that you fly where you want to fly.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
And you have trusted us, and you've shown so much of trust. So I assure you that things will move in right direction, and finally the placements and all will come as a default for sure. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.